Give it to me. So this is Kiki's last meal.
There you go.
Might have to help her. We gave her a whole bag of ham, deli sliced ham, and eggs and cheese. She's been a vegan, hasn't been able to have meat protein since she was 8, so I want her to enjoy something really good. Is it good, Sissy? So sad. She can eat. She knows we're here. Those front legs are not working. Go make sure Runchkin got all his pills out of his bowl.
Which one's he?
We'll just go look at all of them and make sure they're all empty. Look at her little tail up. Look at that little tail. Oh, she's excited.
All gone.
All right, can you pick them up? Look at Sissy go. Is that yummy, sweetie? She's got a whole bag of deli ham and her hard-boiled eggs and some cheese.
When's her birthday?
March 30th. She would have been 13. So we have Dr. Stang coming at Loudon Valley Vet Service. Thank you, Dr. Stang and Laura, for sending your hubby out on his day off. And then we're going up to Inwood to the cremation place. Fred knows him through John Deere. So we'll be bringing Sissy back in a bag, unfortunately. After we get her cremated, we're doing a private cremation, so it's just her ashes in the crematory machine. That is so good, Sissy. She can still eat. See, but those front legs are just not working. We've tried to stand her up, and her legs are just not there. Her hind end's been weak before, but she just can't put any weight on them. That's your Sissy, Runch. Leave it, guys. That's hers. Goose, are you playing with your toy? What you got there, Goosey? Was that nummy, Sissy? Oh my goodness. That ought to make her a little sleepy. Sissy girl.
I mean, that almost looks like a stroke.
Well, that's what the vet said last night with the right head tilt.
I mean, her whole nose.